All right, friends, let's work on Chapter 10 Math Test Review. You are going to need a red crayon and a blue crayon for one of the questions in this. So if you don't have one right now, why don't you go get a blue and a red crayon and come on back. You can pause this and unpause when you have it. All right, question number 1 says, mark under all the shapes that stack. Remember, stacking shapes have flat surfaces, more than one flat surface. So cones, they're not good stackers, but cylinders are good for stacking. Spheres are not, but cubes are also good for stacking. Question 2, which objects are shaped like a sphere? Mark an X on those shapes. So basketballs are spheres, drums are cylinders, blocks are cubes, ice cream cones are cones, baseballs are cylinders, and this watermelon is a cylinder. Question 3, do the words describe a cube? You're going to circle yes or no. So 6 sides. Does a cube have 6 sides? We can see 3 here, and we know there's 3 that you can't see, so yes. Do cubes have any curved surfaces? They do not. They have flat surfaces, so we'll circle no on that one. Awesome. Let's turn the page. Question number 4. Draw a line to match the object to their shapes. So in orange, what shape is that? And a box and the tennis ball holder. So we have a cylinder, a sphere, and a cube. So in orange is a sphere. This box is a cube. And this tennis ball holder is a cylinder. Awesome. Question 5. Which objects are shaped like a cone? Mark an X on those objects. So a ball is a sphere. A party hat's a cone. I'm going to put an X on that one. A box is a cube with this megaphone. That is a cone as well. Question 6, this is what you're going to need the crayons for. I don't have a red marker, but I have orange, so I'm going to use that. It says color the solid shapes blue, color the flat shapes red, draw another flat shape. So get your blue. Which ones are the solid shapes, the 3D shapes? A cone is a solid shape, and a cylinder is a solid shape. Now the flat shapes are red, squares are flat shapes, and triangles are flat shapes. And it says to draw another flat shape that is different. So we have a square and a triangle, but I don't see a circle, so we could draw a circle here. You can color that in as well. Wonderful. All right, let's go to the next page. Question number 7 says, draw an object that has the shape of a cylinder. Remember, cans is what I usually think of. So I'm going to draw a can right here. And maybe it's a can of corn. And there we have a can. Question number 8, circle the shapes that show the cylinder above the cube. So I see cylinders and cubes, but we're looking for the one that has the cylinder above the cube. Here the cylinder is beside or next to the cube. Here the cylinder is above the cube, so we can circle that one. And here the cylinder is below the cube, so just this one. Question number 9, mark an X on the object shaped like a cylinder next to the object shaped like a cone. So we're looking for the cylinder next to the cone. And here I see the cylinder and it's next to the cone. So we'll put an X on that one. Great, let's turn the page. All right, question 10. Mark an X on the cone in front of the cube. So I see 2 cones. The car's going this way and that's important. So I see the 2 cones. This one's in front of the cube, so we're going to put an X on that one. Question 11, we're going to mark an X on the cube that's beside or next to the cone. So I see these cubes here, but which one is next to the cone? And it would be this one. And last, question 12, mark an X on the sphere that is below the hexagon. So I see the hexagon here. I see the spheres, but which one is below the hexagon? And it would be that one. Wonderful, you all did a great job.